My things, I'm going to be showing you a tour of what my mother made. Lily! I have first is a drawer. Stop! I do have a little dresser. I think that is pretty cute that can actually open and close. A few pairs of pants in here. Yeah. So that's cool. Why are you laughing?
Because when you blah, 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 blah.
Bottom drawer, we have some t-shirts or long sleeve shirts. That's cool. If you want to know how to make this, you just go onto our channel and there will be a thing on how to make this and stuff, you know, add some accessories. Okay, so my sister found this. My mom made those, and we found these little beads and those little balls, and I think that was cool. These little plates over here that we got from the Dollar Tree, I think that was super cool. This lovely blanket and pillow that my mom made, I think that was a pretty cool making. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Here we have our door. As you can see, we have the little see-through thing and the little doorknob and some pictures and a little like purse rack or coat rack and some shoes and some pictures over here that were stickers. We found this all at the dollar store, and some of them, well, not some of them, but I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah. Oh, the last thing I forgot to show you was these plants. Plants are the cutest. These are fake though, but I think it's pretty cool that we found them at the dollar store. All this we found at the dollar store. Also like felt and the board and the background. Yeah, I think that was pretty cool. Enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to notify you when we make new videos. See you next time. Bye!